Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So this is going to be a couple, how do I say it here? Couple different topics. One, we got the brown wall pulled into the garage. As you can clearly see, the skid it's on is pretty much non-existent, so that was fun. But it's time for that to come apart. I need to get it sold, but I gotta get it running first. So there will be videos on that eventually. Actually, I guess I should have started off by saying thank you. I'm now at 100 subscribers, so actually I think it's 102 now. But yeah, so we're gonna do a giveaway. So here it is. This is a 11-inch monkey wrench. I could not find a smaller one. I went to 5 different shops, so you're gonna have to live with it. If you like it, great. If not, well, I apologize. It's a little beat, but it still functions as it should. There's very little play compared to a lot of them. There's gonna be up and down play because everything gets worn. But like I said, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to make it functional. There is a split in the handle. I will be fixing that. I don't know if you guys can see the name. See, I tried my best to find a decent wrench, but there's people that want like 60 to 80 bucks for these things, and I appreciate you guys, but I just can't justify paying that for a little wrench. So that's going to be the giveaway. I think the easiest thing for me to do is, or how to give this away once it's done. In 2 weeks' time, I think I'm just going to count all the comments. So I think that'll be the easiest. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up not a thumbs up, but just leave some kind of comment. And your name or your YouTube name, whatever you want. And in 2 weeks' time, I will write them all down, whoever's entered, put them into a hat, and we'll draw. And whoever wins, I'll need your shipping information and all that. Yeah. So hopefully this works for you guys for a giveaway. It is a bit earlier because it has a rounded handle, not the flat handle, but like I say, it was one of the nicest ones I could find, and I like things to be perfect. This is not perfect, but it is a functional wrench and it's not all beat. So yeah, I might do a little video of how I fix the handle. It should all come apart, but so that's just a nut on the end. Not gonna focus. Doesn't want to focus, but anyways, that cap on the end's a nut. So there's that. Like I say, it's pretty sure it was 11-inch, 12-inch monkey wrench. And one other thing while we're here and talking about everything, found a seat for my beaver tractor. That is the proper seat. As every other one I've found online pictures of has that cross pattern and 2 sets of holes. Yeah, there's some dings in it, but it's not broken, so I can live with that and I can fix it. And something else interesting. This seat's just been put on. There's a nice, well, newer nut that I know wouldn't be factory thrown on there, but a little bit of a decal. I don't know if you guys can make it out, but it's McCormick International, made in Canada. Made in Canada, International Harvester Company of Canada Limited, Hamilton, Ontario. So probably off a binder or something like that, because it's got a funny bolt pattern and it sits off on an angle, but it's just a fairly thick piece of flat bar. It is hot riveted together. So yeah, use that seat for my tractor. I can get rid of that frost and wood one that's on there. Josh, it's yours. And yeah, so like I said, guys, once I post this video, I'll leave it up for 2 weeks and then we'll do a draw. And I'm gonna try to get some stickers made up too. I know I had one inquiry about that. Yeah, so I think 2 weeks should be enough time for my sticker guy to get a couple made up. Anywho, that's really about it, guys. So another quick look at the brown wall. Actually, I'll grab a tape measure just for (10" sorry, thought it was 11. So we've got a 10" monkey wrench. You say it is dinged, it is what it is, but that's the best I could do. I'm surprised because usually I go to shops and there's buckets of these guys sitting around, but not this time. You say I went to 5 shops and looked and looked and looked, and this is the most reasonable one I could come up with. So everything does function. There is a little bit of a gap, but you're never going to use it that small anyways. You say I'll take it all apart, clean it all up real good. It's not going to be mirror finish or anything like that. It's going to be usable. So if that's something you're interested in and like to try and win, like I say, just leave me a comment with your name, and 2 weeks time we'll see what happens. Alright guys, again, thank you guys so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. Actually, I think we're 102. But there'll be some videos on this guy, and say about 2 weeks time I'll do another video. We'll do the draw, and we'll see where that wrench is going. Alright, talk to you in the next one.